What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be going over what my portfolio has been doing the past few months. It's been a while since I've given an update. So just a few months ago in October, my portfolio peaked at $66,000. That was when SCHD was up 13%. Everything was going great. And then all of a sudden, SCHD just started tanking. And I think it ended the year at about 6 or 7% gain, which is still good, but it's not the 13% or even the amazing 24, 25% of the S&P 500. But as you can see, right now my portfolio is at $62,465.60. I actually lost $747.14 today. The money weighted return was negative 1.18% because I did earn some dividends, and I'll show that in a few minutes. But just to show you, my individual stocks today are down $311.80, negative 0.96%. SCHD down $234.80, negative 1.13%. And then real estate was down $254, over 2% drop, negative 2.01%. So not looking too good. We can check out my individual stocks. I'm kind of curious which ones had the worst return. So it looks like Costco had a good day, which is nice. And then if we go down, Pepsi down a lot, Procter and Gamble, Duke, Avgo, which makes sense for all the tech stocks to be down because the S&P 500 was down a lot today. And then if we go back to my main portfolio year to date, I'm actually down over $1,000, $1,054.77. Then I want to go into my activity section. As you can see, yesterday I received $43.86 from Vici, and then $10.05 from Merck on the 8th, $13.11 from Pepsi, and then to start the month, a nice $12.60 dividend from ADP. But what I really want to check out is here we go, this page right here. So I actually sold one of my stocks, which was Waste Connections, WCN. And the reason is because I didn't realize they were a Canadian company. I figured they were an American company, but I received this $2.96 dividend on November 21st, and they also took 44 cents, which equals a 15% tax. So if you own a Canadian stock, you get taxed 15%, and that's on top of the 15% I'll be taxed in America. So that's effectively a 30% tax just to own this stock, which really sucks. And it sucks even worse because this is an amazing company with great dividend growth. I believe they had just increased their dividend by 10.1% or something like that. So an amazing growth rate, but getting taxed twice on this stock is not something that I enjoy. That's not something I want to be a part of. So I did sell the stock. It looks like it's here at the bottom. So I sold it. I had almost 2K in it, $1,785. And with the proceeds of the sale, I bought a little bit of PG, J&J, Lowe, Merck, Avgo, Home Depot, Pepsi, Waste Management, American Waterworks, and then ADP. So all great buys right there. And then another thing I wanted to show you, I haven't shown this yet. You can only get this through they're online. I'm trying to think from the browser. You can't get this feature, the dividend income feature through the app, which sucks, but I just wanted to show this feature because it's pretty cool. So let's see where we are. All right, and so in 2024, my total income was $2,030. So it is nice to finally break that 2K number again because it's been a while. It's been about at least a year, maybe almost 2 years since I broke 2K. And then as you can see, in December, I earned $294.54, which is awesome. Topping that chart was SCHD, $197.25. So I'm really close to earning $200 every single quarter from SCHD. And then now in 2025, they're predicting that I'll earn $2,117.74. So far this month, they said I've been paid $79.62 with $46.93 pending. Next month is expected to be a low month at $76.54. Then they're expecting I'll make $308.33, and they're predicting $200 from SCHD. But then, if you look at it throughout the year, the income really stays the same for most of the year. So it'll be interesting to see where my dividend income ends up by the end of the year after you factor in the reinvestments, contributions, and dividend growth. But other than that, thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one where I will show you my December dividend income, the actual video.